Alopee LED lights. I have got these from Amazon. Unbelievable, there's 20 in here. This little package. It is mainly for side lights and interior lights. This is the equivalent bulb, you can see. In the reviews it says a good third of them don't work, what I will be testing later on, and what I will leave in the descriptions below. They are 0.8 of a watt in it. I am going to open it, or try to open it. Add some scissors. Way up. Here we go. You can see it's LED. 4 LEDs round the light with one on the top. It has the little wires. To my knowledge, it doesn't really matter if it's a positive or not. I will test it out. And there's 20 in here. Have a look. Make sure 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. At least there's the right amount there. If they all work, it is quite a very good price. I paid £7.89 for them. For 20. I will be putting them in my internal lights in my van and in the car as well. I will leave the description below from where exactly the seller who I got it from. And here is majority. It's hard to see, but I will take a photograph of the distance. It is about 1.5 millimeters. Height. So if you are very limited in height, beware, because I know sometimes you can be right up to the plastics. So if you've got plenty of room, okay, but literally only about 1 millimeter difference. We'll go to the car. Here we are. We have the first LED in work, and it works. That is the other, the original LED in. If you can see, it is a lot higher frequency. I think they're not super bright, but it's a lot better than the original. I must be lucky, it seems to be all mine work, so that is a right bargain. 20 bulbs for £7.89. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.